Yeah. Arna.
Arpa.
Arpa. One more time. Arpa.
Sen kim bulumun deydin elli Gitçinne keyinde Hazır işteysin bir hoş ol yerinde Can düğünüm jaktırganday özümdagi berilli Başka maksat jakşı tapsa emge kaptap taşıp jatsa Az kelgen Sivas'dan katsa gam sanamay yok sanamay akçak.
Or were you shooting for a better place?
No, this is the first race I ever do, so
Okay.
I just wanted to finish.
And test out yourself
Yeah.
and the equipment and everything.
Really, I'm not a cyclist, I'm more like hiker mountaineer, so I didn't really know. I just wanted to get round and finish, and
Very good. That's impressive.
but you see many people today.
Не, мы чуть бы не спали, там такой стоит, типа вагончик заброшенный,
В
видели?
самом низу перед подъемом?
Да, видели же, да?
Не помню.
Вот там мы спали. Там
Сколько вас
еще
было?
Едет райдер, дедушка.
Вот этот ты и дедушка, да?
Да. Ну и там толпа
Да,
спит,
толпа.
они что-то тупят.
А,
Мы просто поднимались, никого не видели сзади.
ну как в целом?
Нормально. Кокайрык, что, как, тяжелый, нет? Не знаете?
Куларок?
Кокайрок.
Нормально. Нет,
Сложнее, чем кигиты.
трудно сказать. Но подъем, да, там подъем тоже такой.
Что-то мне по кигиты рассказываешь, что тут смертельно сложно, а как-то
Не смертельно сложно, не смертельнее вот этого, который подъем оттуда.
Ну там тяжеловато бывает моменты.
Поэтому там такой серпантин на кигиты, на Кулароке. Тоже по осыпи.
Do you want?
No.
You need it
Do you
more.
want something?
Yes.
You need nuts.
Вы наверх, потом опять вниз?
Мы наверх-вниз и направо. Сусамыр и Чаек, Санкульт, да.
Окей. I go.
Yes. Good luck.
Good luck, all the best.
You too.
Take care.
No touring mood, racing mood.
Okay.
How was the climb today morning?
Actually spectacular. Probably one of my favorite of the entire race. You know, this is day 11 or day 12, and it's been so exhausting and draining, but you know, I woke up really early to do this, and the weather is spectacular, and it's warm, and I mean, it doesn't get any more stunningly gorgeous, so I'm just absolutely loving it right now.
Where did you camp?
Stayed in the town actually. I slept at the mosque.
So you're a good rider. You're probably in the meat pack. Yes.
I think so. Maybe, I don't know. I just wanted to finish. Thank you.
I took up.
Cool.
You'll finish definitely. Just within 2 days probably.
This is the last stretch.
And that's the big question. Do you make the big push to finish as soon as you can, or do you get one more sleep? I don't want to do the final descent in the dark being very tired. You know that? There's no reason.
True. So the historic moment for me is about to happen. It's gonna be the first time that I'm with my bikepacking bike over 3,000 meters above sea level. I'm so excited. Since almost precisely 4 years I've been dreaming of this moment, climbing over the Kegeti Pass, and it's about to happen. I can only recommend that because this is an epic moment, and this place is massive. It's an iconic and mystic place, and I'm super stoked. It is too long to me. I'm a mountain biker, so I was off the table. Plus the external routing, cable routing.
What are the
and
wheels?
They are also custom made DT rims.
Yeah.
With the dynamo hub up
Normal
front and 200 DT Swiss 240 in the back, and like enduro grade rims because I didn't wanna go for anything like super lightweight, and I could have shaved off easy 500 grams on the wheels, but
It's a 2-hour cycle bike, but yeah, the other side
part
did
of
the
it.
same.
What's your cap number?
58.
58. Very good.
What is your plan?
So did Uluk did the same then? Uluk Mirza
Uluk Mirza is also guiding a tour.
is also getting a tour, huh? Yeah.
So he supposed to race, but
Yeah.
then he got an offer from Nelson.
From Nelson, huh? Yeah, that's what he told me. Okay. Try not to
Good
fall.
luck.
Okay, look.
Finish this race.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll try.
So what's your number? Cap number?
89. I hope the hardest section is over.
This is our first day of our trip. We are in Kegeti Gorge, in the forest.
a little bit over 2,000 meters
It's-
above sea level.
It's raining, and our original plan is to set a camp at 3,000. We will try our best. Difficult to ride today, maybe because I am a bit overloaded with food. I would say it's essential to reach that point. So tomorrow morning we can quickly climb up the pass. In order to save time tomorrow, we need to reach at least 3,000 meters level.
And boiling already.
Boiling.
Yeah, that was quick. That was fast. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that, to conquering the Kegeti Pass.
It's your dream pass.
Yeah. Definitely. It has been like since I watched the very first Silk Road mountain race videos. I've been dreaming of being on the Kegeti Pass, and like standing there, raising my hands and saying, "I made it."
Last 100 meters for Jurai to approach the summit of Kegeti Pass.
The pass of my dreams.
Long awaited.
Бүгін алып ертең сатсаң түшөт пайда табылмақтан. Жүгіріп барып бекем қақсаң түшөт алма бақтан. Қиялымды көздөй баратамын жылдан жылға. Тетири Құрбаймын таңдадым күйлөндім мылдам. Қиялымды көздөй баратамын жылдан жылға. Құрбаймын таңдадым күйлөндім мылдам. Кандай сону болмок деп кете кебиребиз кыялдана беребиз. Бирок аны күтпөй муну күтпөй иштеп агым кек менен аппак сүттөй тирдейли эсалалы деп сүткө тойгон күчүктөй.
Having break at Karakol Valley.
It's beautiful over here.
Кыялымды көздөй баратамын жылдан жылга петири. Турбаймын тандадым күйлөндүм мурда Кыялымды көздөй баратамын жылдан жылга петири. Турбаймын тандадым күйлөндүм мурда
Не вела. А так, ви сте в порядку? Ja mi ideme teraz niečo do tohto, do obchodu si kúpiť a tak skúsim ti zavolať trošku neskôr, dobre?
Yeah. That looks good. Huh? That looks really good.
Kyrgyzstan is beautiful. I love it. I love it. Today was not such a tough day when it comes to the elevation gain, but we are gonna end up riding for 120 kilometers. In the beginning we rode down the Karakol Valley, then hopped on a truck. That was the Susamir Valley Gorge.
Kokomeren.
Kokomeren.
To skip that
washboard road, but it was a good decision. It is a beautiful place, but no pleasure to ride by bike, at least for me. And then we are on asphalt road through Chayak towards the climb to the Chilbel pass over to Songkhor. Stay tuned.
Going toward Chilbel Pass, just at the Songkhor Lake, and we hope to be at Songkhor Lake about afternoon. We've made it! New pass! Gilbil or Gilbil? Who knows? Even in the Kuyuchuk Valley, people don't know what does it mean. Yeah, and what's that mean? Great, I like it. Yes.
Beautiful. They are such a beautiful animals, right?
Arpa.
Айдын көлгө барсамбы, аккуга кошуң салсамбы, азабың тартып жүргүчө мен ашыгың болуп алсамбы. Азабың тартып жүргүчө мен ашыгың болуп алсамбы. Жаман тилде бирөө бар, ак калпагын булгалаган араңарда бирөө бар. Ак калпагын булгалаган араңарда бирөө бар. Атын айтпайм бирөө бар.
Where are they, mother? Two more here. I don't know. Long stretch of washboard. We are going to battle Measashu Pass. Tonight we will stay overnight at the bottom of the climb, and tomorrow we'll start our way toward to Tashrabad. It's old graveyard.
And with the background, with the mountain.
And there is no wind right now. You see? There was no sun all day long today. Here it is.
Nemáte náhodou liter wody?
Liter wody mamy.
Dali byste mi?
Do picia, nie? Już ci daję jako zdjęcie.
To by bolo super, ďakujem.
You want a liter water if they have spare water?
Wody? Ale wody czy wody chcesz? Wody, wody, nie wody.
Wody, ne wodky. Ne wodky.
Od Polaka, nie wodki.
Poď sprav mi fotku s nimi.
Jedźcie tam. Jedźcie. Raz i dwa.
Jedziesz już? Ile już dni jedziesz?
To też jest dzień.
Szósty dzień, a jeszcze dalej?
Jeszcze 4.
Jeszcze 4. A skąd idziesz?
No z
Bratysławy.
To by bolo trochu. Z Biškeku cez Kegeti pása, Karakola, Sonkul. Boli ste Sonkul?
Jedziemy do Sonkul.
Krásne.
Krásne.
Sonkul a
Ale to jest twój przewodnik, tak?
Hej.
A, okej.
On je domáci, on je z Biškeku.
Z Biškeku. Super. Piotruś ma wodę.
Je super. Máme. Čau, ďakujeme. This is our 6th day with Uri.
We ended up today at Tashrabat. This was our goal for today. We were hit by heavy rain while cycling up to here, and we are gonna be staying in yurt. No tents for today. We are tired. It was a long way and we climbed 2 passes.
Some bikepackers in one of the yurts. Beautiful place.
Again hit by heavy rain. We are almost reached Atbaşı over there.
Dağında yürüktü tыңшайы Болғылмайын, шығарып алайын дейгідей Қызмат қамдалғанда ептеп-септеп қылбай Адал емгек менен адал тамақ жегідей Бірақ ең башқа кесі жоғарғы қатардан Мен екеуміз сен екенсің Адам болуға талған Қиялу сарғандай, о білемін таң қалбайын Жайнаған жандардай, аралашқандай Не болса да барыбыз тілеге беске жеткенде жашай Қиялымды көздеп баратамын жылдан жылға Тетири Құрбаймын таңдадым гүлімді мұлдам Тетири Қиялымды көздеп баратамын жылдан жылға
Тағы? Салғанын жеш керек. Gel. Biraz. Хату, тиел восьмая.
This place, this yurt, people were our last overnight stay before climbing to Arabelle Pass and reaching finally Arabelle Plateau, our destination. We end up earlier last day and decided to stay with these lovely people. We are good today, this morning, and we continue our ride. Arabelle Pass, our first milestone for today. The next is Barskan Pass, but I am actually not counted because we climbed to Barskan Pass from elevation of Arabelle Plateau. It's cold here.
Mining road already?
Yes.
Really?
Really. So it turns to the mine in that intersection. You see, the road goes far.
Okay.
And that car
Is that like
just
a military car?
I don't know. It's going to Barskan.
Oh, okay. Very good. I love it.
Yes.